So this video is a video tutorial to help you use the 88 days to weight loss program in the best way, because I'm going to teach you how to access to all of the material, the content, so that you effortlessly get through the module and really get the best out of it. So we're going to start from the beginning, although we probably are done with this, but I just want to let you know that if you want to go back to all the way to the beginning, or you want to share it with friends, you can share this video as well. So here is how it is. You can find here, this is the website. This is my website, the AlineHenley.com. And when you can look here on the right hand side, the online course button, you can push it, and then you're going to get to the main online courses platform on which everything is. So how do you find all the courses? This one is the first one that shows up, the 30-day audio course to Soulful Leadership. You want to access to your 88 days to weight loss. Well, you're going to find it just like all of the other courses right here. This right now has 3 different courses. There are 3 more coming, so pay attention to it. There's going to be more fun and yummy thing for all of us. And here you are going to click on the one that concerns you right now, which is the 88 days to weight loss course. So you have seen the video starting and everything perfect. You are now going into looking down at the course curriculum. So the course curriculum is actually showing you all the great content, and here each icon is going to show you what you're going to get. This is the icon of video, this is a text, right? So you have different content. Sometimes you have some uploads, sometimes it's just a text to read, sometimes it's just a picture or a video, right? So now when you see this, you're going to find the first chapter, which is the welcome to the course. And then you're going to see a series of video, and then you have the deepening your understanding, your self-understanding, and you have also some videos, and then you have the mechanic of your energy body, and you have other videos. So if you count the number of videos here, you're going to get to a number of 12 on top of the presentation one, and these are videos you're going to receive once a week. They are pre-programmed, pre-designed for you to only have access to them once a week. So you will be able to only get one message, one video a week. The reason why is that I'm not giving you all these videos at once, because it would be very overwhelming. And the idea for me is to really allow you to implement every single aspect of this module so that you can integrate it and change your life more easily, right? So it's almost like little bit at a time is a lot better. Less is actually more. So these 3 parts, the first part here, the second, deepening your self-understanding, and mechanic of your energy body, will be the theory part, the part that you're going to receive once a week to actually just lets you open your mind to new possibility of being, for you to understand the philosophy behind the practice, right? Now, when you continue below, you're going to access to the mindful practice. And as you can see, there's the 7-day mindset cleanse. These are going to be available right away, like the 7-day mindset cleanse, the video, you can access it right away. The 7-day mindset cleanse number 1 out of 7, will also be available right away. This is going to be the work that you can do day 1. So this is going to be available, but the second one will not be available before the 2nd day. And then the 3rd day will be here available, and then so on and so forth. When you will have finished the series of the 7-day mindset cleanse, you're cleansed, perfect. Now we can bring 88 days of full on focus, mindful tips and reflection and introspection and journaling prompt for you to help your mind support your diet, your activity, your physical training, whatever you need, right? It's all happening in between our ears. So helping your mind is very important. Well, this 88 days to weight loss has 1 day at a time. You have a little prompt that you will be able to be looking at, but you cannot find them all at once. And that's the idea. So how do you do it? Well, every day you're going to have to go on your platform and get used to click on the video or the content that is available for you, right? So this is how you use it the best. It is, once you know it, it makes it super easy, right? And the idea is, if somehow you are encountering a tech issue or you're really not understanding, please reach out to me at Aline at alinehenley.com, and I will help you. I will guide you. I will find a way to support you. Just let me know if it's not clear enough. But that should be doing the trick, and I cannot wait for you to just get yourself in gear and see the result of adding your mind to your nutrition and exercise program. Talk to you soon. Bye.